Good morning, my name is Balsay Siderama. My report for today is flowchart. Our learning objectives: 1. Define the flowchart. 2. Enumerate and explain the different type of flowchart. 3. Assess the applicability of the given tools. 4. Use the given tools in analyzing cases or situations. Frank Bunkert Gilbreth was an American engineer, consultant, and author. As an early advocate of scientific management and the pioneer of time and motion study, and best known as the father and central figure of Cheaper by Lassen. The first structured method for documenting process flow, the flow process chart, was introduced by Frank and Lillian Gilbert in the presentation process flowchart to members of the American Society of Industrial Engineering in 1921. The Gilbert tools quickly found their way into the industrial engineering curricula. Flowchart. A flowchart is a type of diagram that represents a workflow of process. Flowchart can also be defined as the diagrammatic representation of an algorithm, a step-by-step approach to a solving task. The flowchart show the steps as boxes of various kinds and their order by connecting the boxes with arrows. This diagrammatic representation illustrates a solution model to a given problem. A flowchart are used in analyzing, designing, and documenting or managing the process or program in various fields. Types of flowcharts. Document flowcharts. These have the purpose of showing existing control over document flow through the components of system. The chart is read left to right and documents the flow through the various business units. Data flowcharts. These show the control governing data flows in the system. These are used primarily to show the channels that the data is transmitted to the system rather than to show how control flows. System flowchart. These show the flow of data to add through major components of systems such as data entry, programs, storage media, processor, and communication network. Program flowcharts. These show the control placed integrally to a program with the systems. Workflow flowcharts. To document workflows often involving tasks, documents, and information offices. A workflow diagram depicts a series of actions that define a job or how to work should be done. Flowchart symbols. The oval or terminator is used to represent the start and the end of a process. The rectangle is your go-to symbol. Once you've started the flowchart, it represents any step in the process of your diagram and work course of the flowchart. The arrow is used to guide the viewer along the flowchart path. The diamond symbolizes that a decision is required to move forward. Document symbols. Single and multiple documents icons show that there are additional points of reference involved in your flowchart. Data symbols. Data symbols clarify where the data your flowchart reference is being stored. Input and output symbols. Input and output symbols show where how data is coming and out throughout your process. Merging and connecting symbols. Agree upon merging and connector symbols make it easier to connect flowcharts that span multiple pages. How flowcharts are used in other fields. Education. 1. Plan coursework and academic requirements. Create a lesson plan or oral presentation. Organize a group or individual project. Sales and marketing. Plot out the flow of the survey. chart and sales process plan as a research strategy. Business. Understand other procurement process, represent an employee task and daily routine. Understand the path that user takes on website or in a store. Denote the physical manufacturing. Denote the physical or chemical makeup of the product. Illustrate the manufacturing process from beginning to end. Conclusion. Flowchart is a type of diagram that represents a workflow or process. Flowchart symbols can be both used not only for making business decisions but to use in other fields like education, sales, marketing, and manufacturing. There are 5 types of flowcharts: document flowcharts, data flowcharts, system flowchart, program flowchart, and workflow flowchart. Thank you.